Hi, I am standing near the log house in which I am going to stay in TaptaPani. This resort is called Spring Resort TaptaPani. Come, let me give you the room tour and also the property tour. Once you enter, so this is a queen size bed. That is the entrance. There are two chairs and a center table here. There's a window, and opposite side of the bed there is this large table kind of setup where there is this tea coffee beverages station. This is the Odyssey Eco Resorts. we look up, there is this fan and AC. And if you look at the roof, it is like the hut shaped kind of roof. Then there is a window this side as well, and on one side of the bed is the side table with the TaptaPani Spring Resort menu and the telephone. Next to that is the wardrobe. That is the wardrobe. Let's open that. A simple wardrobe. A simple wardrobe. Next to that is this clothes hanger. There is a charging point here. There are multiple charging points. And here is the dresser. And this is the bathroom. Here is the bathroom. And here there is another mirror, TV. And this side, if we go, is the balcony. This is the balcony. A small balcony. We can use the chairs which are inside and can sit and relax here if required. The view is just the forest view. You can see the other cottages. These are called the log houses, maybe because they are made of wood. So that's about it. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.